Just like me, I'm sure you too have dreams and goals, but too often you wait for the perfect moment to start. But what if I told you that perfect moment is now, just at the end of this video? Watch this video and see for yourself why the right time is a myth. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing to it if you like today's video. Today I want to talk to you about something that we all do at some point in time, waiting for the right time. Whether it's starting a project, making a big decision, or pursuing your dream, we all tell ourselves that I'll do it when the time is right. But guess what? The right time does not exist. So let's dive into why waiting for the perfect moment is holding you back. We are all guilty of this. We think I'll start working out when I'm less busy. I'll launch that business when I have a lot of experience. But the truth is, there's always going to be something in the way. Life doesn't pause for us to catch up. It moves forward, and if we are waiting for the right time or the right stars to align, we might wait forever. Here's the thing. The right time isn't something that happens to you. It's something you create. Every successful person you admire didn't wait for the perfect conditions. They started where they were with what they had. They faced obstacles, doubts, and fears, but they kept moving forward. And that's what you need to do too. Let me give you a quick tip. Instead of waiting for the right time, start taking small steps today. Break your goals into manageable tasks and start with the first one. It doesn't matter if you don't have everything figured out. What matters is you are taking actions. And remember, progress is better than perfection. Without taking much of your time, I'll quickly tell you my story as I do in all my videos. I published my first book at the age of 25. Some people said, it's too early and you are too young to publish a book. People didn't believe in my writing abilities and they thought only experienced people can do well at writing books. You know, like people with grey hair. But I wonder if I had listened to them and waited for my hair to turn grey, or to be precise, waited for the right time to come, I think I would have waited forever. I badly wanted to tell my stories to the people, and that was possible only through a book. I wrote a book, published it, and got a wonderful response. And I did not only become an author at 25, but my readers accepted me as one by complimenting my work. Everybody who has read my books has only praised the book and have found them to be relatable in some way or the other. Now imagine if I hadn't taken that step and waited for the perfect time or till I have the best of knowledge, would I have been able to live my dream at the age of 25? Think about it. Every day you wait is a day lost. Opportunities won't wait for you. The world won't wait for you. But you have the power to create your own opportunities. So stop waiting for the right time and start making things happen. Whether it's learning a new skill, starting a side hustle, or even just reaching out to someone you admire, do it today. The time is now. So here's my challenge for you. What's that one thing which you are putting off just because you're not getting the right time? Write it down and take one small step towards it today. Remember, the only thing that is standing between you and your goal is that excuse of waiting for the perfect moment. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video inspires you, then make sure you hit the like button, share this video with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to comment below with what you're going to start today. I can't wait to hear your stories. Until next time, take care, keep smiling, stop waiting, start doing.